everybody, this is going to be a quick video. I went to the dollar store the other day, Dollar Tree, and I bought these pencil sharpeners. They have these little inserts here that are for the pencils to... Anyway, you could take these little inserts out, and if you have a clock that has the movement in crooked, and they use inserts to protect the chain, you might have to draw out the hole a little bit, because they don't quite fit in there, but they almost are big enough. But you could use these things to protect the chain and protect the wood. I personally would glue them in the hole once you got them in there, but just a thought. A lot of the movements, the movement is on one side of the case, so the holes are not straight down, so they use these inserts to protect the chain, and to protect the wood. Just a thought. And a lot of times they're missing. So you can go to the Dollar Tree and buy these pencil sharpeners and take these little plastic inserts out. And I don't see why that would not work. Just my 2 cents.